Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Oliver again. For today's activity, we're going to do a choice board, and we will see these probably once a week. And I want you to look at the different options that there are on this choice board and choose two of the following household chores to do this week. You can make your bed, help out with the trash, help unload the groceries, vacuum the floor, clean your bathroom, sweep the floor, unload the dishwasher, clean your room, and help clean the dishes. Now you only have to choose two of these, but it would be very helpful for you guys to learn how to help out around the house. I'm sure that you already do, but these are also going to be some chores and things that you need to learn so that you can become independent one day. So choose two of these activities, and I will attach a document where you can type in and let me know, or you can take a picture if you want to let me know which two household chores that you did this week. I hope you all are doing well and having a great day, and we'll see you soon.